Climate change, perhaps the most unprecedented phenomena our planet has ever faced. But why should we care? So what if the glaciers melt and our polar bears die? That just means more land for humans to inhabit, right? Wrong. As the glaciers melt, the sea level rises. When the sea level rises, water floods much of the land in which we already inhabit, threatening millions of homes, millions of safe environments, and millions of lives. We all know about the greenhouse effect, at least somewhat, through our most basic education. To jog the memory, the greenhouse effect is kind of like a blanket that wraps up the Earth to keep it at an optimal temperature. We call that blanket our atmosphere. As the sun radiates heat into our planet, some of that heat is absorbed, and some of it's reflected back into space. Among the energy being reflected back, some of it is trapped by our blanket, and some of it is released. As carbon dioxide builds up, our blanket gets thicker, thus trapping more heat and contributing to a warmer planet. Now, the greenhouse effect is not a necessarily bad thing. We do need it in order to maintain an optimal temperature for our survival here on Earth. However, it is overheating our planet. This is happening for two reasons. First, our planet has a natural cycle, but also because humans abuse the planet. Our planet naturally warms up and cools down through a cycle, and it has happened dozens of times since its creation. But as humans emit more and more carbon dioxide into our atmosphere, our planet heats up at an alarming rate that will be detrimental to our lives and our way of living. Our planet has never experienced such heat and such high levels of carbon dioxide in all of its history, and it's predicted to get even worse. Our planet's current condition is already off the charts. I want to continue living because life is beautiful. Unfortunately, our lives may be cut short because the effects of our irresponsible actions are catching up to us. We will see the worst results of these actions within 50 years. Most of us in this room today will be alive and will have grandchildren by this time. This will affect each and every one of us. Our lives are in danger. Our children's lives are in danger. Our grandchildren's lives are in danger. Make a difference. Stop climate change.